Hi, this is Monica Jenkins, and I wanted to make a presentation today to teach you how to become a Facebook developer and to understand the changes that Facebook is about to go through again. A few weeks ago, Facebook did a little change, and that was really just like a little pebble in the lake to see how we would all react, because they're about to make the whole um, page and profile system change again. It's going to go to a timeline look. So I'm going to go ahead and put you on my screen and show you what the new changes are and how, if you can become a developer now, you can install it today and start learning how to utilize it to the best of your use. So here we go. Alright, so here, as you see, this is my regular profile, and as you regularly know, your pictures right here, you have your wall, your friends, and you can subscribe to people now. Okay, so what we're going to do is go up here to the top, type in facebook.com/developer and developers.com, no, not developers, but facebook.com/developers, and it'll change to this setting. And whenever you first go to this, it might need you to actually verify your account with your phone number or credit card possibility. But if your phone number should definitely work. You don't need a credit card, really. So it's not that it's going to be like you have to pay for Facebook. That's just a silly rumor. So we're going to go ahead and create a new application when you become a developer. All it is going to developer.com and being in this. So let's see. This is Harmoney. Harmoney's time. Okay, here you're going to name it, and you can name it like anything you want. It doesn't matter. It could be Joe's timeline, it could be timeline, it could be Joe, it could be your cat's name. It does not matter. Like, nobody's going to see it. It's just to install it for the first time. So then we're going to have app namespace, and you can just do this again. But it just has to be original name, and it has to say that it's available, and you agree to the policies. Of course, you just have to. Then security. 6 ONIL. So this will be creating a new application in their system, and for regular other applications that have been used in the past, it's been readily available that we want to use, like it's either to use through websites, or you want to actually build an application online like you might play with all the time. This one's sort of new, but this is to have a custom iframe tab on the left side of your page. So I'll go over another video to explain all of that. But for now, we're looking up here. We're going to go to this Open Graph application. And here's where it just is completely changing. Okay, so it's really seriously simple. But you just start by defining one action and one object for your application. So you're going to put people can blank a blank, and then you get started. So it's super easy. It doesn't matter what you put in here. People can run a marathon. People can watch a video. Okay, so it could be anything. This has no value, but it just is it's creating action within Facebook because it's going into the new system. So instead of people just I like TV, I like to watch videos, instead of that, it's gonna be like I watch a video, like I am watching this, I'm cooking this, I'm running, exercising. Like, verbs are now going to be used through Facebook to give you more customization so that it's actually like what you're doing and what you really are getting out of it. So now you install that. It's going to go through 3 steps right here, but you don't have to do any editing to it at all. You just want to scroll down, save your changes, and go to next. taking a little long, but it's all it's just completely changing the way. It's called the timeline. It's Facebook timeline, and what you'll see in a few minutes that it's just going to change the whole view of it. All of this is just putting in the preferences, and the system already knows what to do. So again, it's already there. It's going to come up with some more details, but you're just going to scroll down and save changes and go to the next step. And again, timeline aggregations, scroll all the way down, save and finish it. So now it's going to say people like the actions, the objects, and like the summaries and stuff, but that doesn't even matter right now. Like, it just is the background. So we can, we're going to go to over here on the left and view your application profile page, and you can like it, and since we want to make sure you use these tools in the right way, here's an update of how you can connect with your audience. To improve the insights, you now see new public metrics called people talking about this underneath your fan count to show the number of people on Facebook who have engaged with your page in the last 7 days. So this is how you're going to be seeing your friends' activities with the page, so you understand like what's been going on with it. So let's see, they're testing it right now, but it'll be reviewed and published more on the 31st of October. So, no big deal, but okay, so let's try and go to the facebook.com over here and check out this is the home feed now. So it says, introducing the timeline, a new kind of profile. Timeline is your collection of all the photos, posts, and applications that tell your story. To learn about building new social apps for Timeline, visit the developer site. So here it shows you already people that have installed this. So I have about 15 people in my network that know about this right now. So it's seriously new, and I'm teaching you right now how to install it into your profile. And let me show you something real quick. This is I'm logged in Harmony's moment right here. This is my other profile, Ultimate Epic Harmonious Moment, and this is my business. So right now, because this profile was not a developer, like it wasn't in the open graph yet, I still viewed other profiles this way. So now that I've just transitioned it into being a developer profile, it's going to change. So let me show you. So we want to get it now. And this will transfer you into this tab, which is the Harmony's Moment tab, your regular name tab, and this is the new profile. So it's really different. I mean, it's really simple, but it's different, and it's really cool. You can, let's see, you can take a tour, you can publish it now. So this is going to go live on the 16th. So it's not that big of a deal. It's coming soon, but you're going to want to, you can add a cover right here, and you can either use from your regular photos or upload a new photo. So I can show you how it's going to look. And let's see. So many things. All these events I've been to. This was a fun one. So many people. So you just want to position it. That's good. And save changes. So now this is your cover picture, and then you have a little one over here. So you have two now. So instead of like that other banner image that was over here, now it's just a big one and a little one. So you can scroll down. This is a timeline, like literally. You can see it's like now, September, August, 2011, 2010, and when you were born. And of course, this only began a few years ago, so all this information isn't available, but you can actually input it in there. So if you have pictures from when you were born, you can input them back into where your timeline is and go back and customize it. So other things, people are like, I don't want all my stuff out there. Well, whatever you are not so proud of, like, you can go hide. So all this Spotify stuff, like, Spotify's cool, but it doesn't maybe need to be like that on my timeline, so I can hide it. Okay, so now it's not so prominent. And then other things like, oh, here, I produced a video. How to make your passion go viral. So I can edit it, and wait, no, I want to push the star because it was really important to me. So if I push the star, that makes it so that it goes all the way across my timeline. So if somebody's like searching down my timeline, oh, blah, blah, blah. Well, no, this one goes all the way across. Must be important. Let me check it out. So you can like give extenuation to things that you're really proud of, other things like questions or whatever you can hide, um, or just totally customize it. All these months, and in between of that there's like post or whatever you did, but you can add things in, like if you missed, like when you had a baby or when you got a job or when you did this or that, you can add it in, so it's really cool, so people know what you were doing and you can be proud of it again because it's not disappeared. And so other than that, you want to publish this because nobody can really see it until you publish it. So you want to go over here to publish now to make it official. So now, this is what my profile looks like. Developer released. And now, I can go here, and I would go to Ultimate Epic Harmonious Moment Profile, and voila! This is what my new profile already looks like. So over here, I wasn't a developer. Now I'm a developer, and now I see the new profile. And like I said, they're going to be releasing this to the public, so it's not that you have to become a developer. But if you want to like do business online and grow your knowledge of how to utilize it to have opportunity to get income and work online like I am, I would really think that you want to know more about the developer side of Facebook. So I encourage you to learn more about it. And I hope that you can appreciate like me sharing this knowledge with you. I know it's a little crazy. Everything's going to be new and different, but it's going to be fun. I think it's really customizable. You shouldn't be scared of it. You should just really accentuate it and love it. And you can also go down here. There's like these four that are the top things that people can see. You can, whatever application you had before, like you can how do you say, customize this to be there. So it doesn't have to be your friends here. You can edit it or add something else in there. So it's fun. We'll play with it, and I hope that you can appreciate this and learn more soon. I'm going to be launching some other really cool secrets. So until then, I hope you have a wonderfully prosperous day, and remember, peace, love, and harmony. Thank you.